We're at the elephant enclosure at Phuket Zoo, and one of the elephants is actually chained. This looks like a really small enclosure, and something happened to this guy. Oh, and there's an elephant behind me.
What?
So I don't know what's wrong with this guy, but he looks hurt. And they're getting fed. They are really close to the public. Close enough to... Oh, it's actually chained. And he's getting an erection. This guy is in danger. Overall, looks like a real crappy place, so they get to go out then, obviously. I don't know what to think. It's time for the elephant show.